This segment is sponsored by DNA Diet.
And now we're going to talk about a new diet plan where science and weight loss, they meet.
Yeah, it's called the DNA Diet, and the idea is to develop a weight loss profile based on your DNA. So it's very personal just for you. Joe Sam had a chance to talk to the founder of this revolutionary diet.
Well, welcome, Scott Penn. We want to talk all about this amazing diet plan that you have. Now, you may have seen him before on the show. He's the founder of a new diet plan that uses your DNA, and that came about because of his own personal journey with weight loss and its struggles. We want to know all about this great diet plan. Welcome.
Thanks, Joe.
Tell us about the journey that you've had.
Well, it's been a lifelong journey of losing weight, putting on weight, losing weight, and I think most people will understand that journey. I think the most important thing, we created DNA Diet Plan in order to try and overcome all of that and give you one final plan. The important thing is that what we've done is we've taken some of the available consumer DNA tests, and you can upload that data into our system, and we will give you a fully customized DNA diet plan that is personalized just for you.
Absolutely. When we speak about that, it comes along with the meals as well. Talk about some of the meals that we get in there, because like you mentioned before, it's going back and forth between the struggle of the meals that you have within weight loss.
Absolutely. We've got a fantastic weight loss platform that we've had building over the last 12 years. Over 500,000 people around the world have used our platform and successfully lost weight. We've also now got Mayo Clinic's entire wellness library built into the system. So you're getting over 1,000 articles, recipes, videos, a whole swag of good things in there to help you lose weight.
And we talked earlier about the hangry gene, you guys. If you don't know what that is, Mr. Scott, tell us what that is, because I think I have it myself.
Well, I actually have it. It's part of my DNA profile. The hangry gene is one of them, which means that if you don't eat early in the morning and you get to about mid-morning, some people may not want to be around you.
Exactly.
So, but that's what DNA Diet Plan's all about. It's identifying those DNA insights. I also have the lactose sensitivity gene, which means that when I have milk, I do get a bit of a rumbly tummy. So now what I do is have soy milk or almond milk. And the great part about the system is that we actually change up your menu plan. So if you have any of those sensitivities, we change it up so we provide total alternatives within your whole menu plan. So if you're allergic to have lactose, we don't have milk. We have alternatives.
Yeah, different things that people can try out. And speaking of different, we want to talk about all what they can do within the process. How do they start with it? Because we know that within the U.S., there's a lot of overweight people.
Absolutely.
How do we bring that number down?
Look, we know that almost 70% of Americans are overweight or obese. So the most important thing is this is about behavior change. People have to change what they're doing. The great thing about DNA Diet Plan is that we help you understand more about yourself. So if you go to dnadietplan.com, we'll give you a free weight loss profile. So there's no obligation. You come in, we'll tell you what you should weigh, give you some understanding of the system, how you then look at your DNA insights, how you upload your data. And then if you sign up, the great thing is we give you a personalized program just for you that gives you some understanding of what you need to do to truly lose weight once and for all.
And let's talk about the success of the program. Have you been seeing any great stories or testimonials from people who may have already been included within your DNA weight loss program?
Yes, we have. We've had a whole test group or beta group on it, and we'll be releasing some of those results soon. But even myself personally, I put on about 5 pounds not that long ago, about a month ago.
Walking billboard.
And I literally have lost 5 pounds in the last 3 weeks.
Wow.
So it definitely works.
And really quick too, now that you speak of it, a lot of people would like to lose that weight quick because, like I said, summer is quickly approaching. So you have to have something that works for you, and I'm glad that it's customizable to each and every different person out there.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Mr. Scott, thanks so much for that information. And again, congratulations on your own personal weight loss battles, because you look good.
Thank you.
And I'm sure you feel good. And you can feel good as well, so be sure to check this site, dnadietplan.com. That's where you can get information and get your free weight loss profile with customizable meal plans. The DNA Diet Plan, it can work for you.